Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 50 days hard challenge to help you lose 15 kgs in this 50 days so that you're able to hit your new year resolution goals before the new year comes. So definitely this diet plan will help you in getting your inch loss, fat loss, skin benefits, hair health benefits, and you'll be able to see a lot of other things happening well with this 50 days of hard challenge. Recently my lots of clients for this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the number given below, which is 6284306522, and I'll be more than happy to help you with your weight loss journey. And let's kickstart this challenge together. Starting with the early morning drink, for this particular challenge, I'll be giving you lots of options for every meal because of course you can't get bored of these meals, and definitely you need 50 days of every day's different diet. So for early morning drink, I'll be giving you two options here. The first option basically works wonders for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid or diabetic patients because definitely it helps you lower your blood sugar levels, also treat with insulin resistance or sensitivity. So I'm talking about having plain cinnamon water. All you have to do is simply soak one stick of cinnamon overnight in 1 glass of water, boil it in the morning and have it sip by sip, empty stomach. This basically helps you with metabolism boosting properties, helping you suppress your appetite and also kill all your sugar cravings at once. Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. The second option is, if you cannot have this, then we'll completely switch ourselves to simple plain lemon water. All you have to do is simply squeeze one lemon to 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. Vitamin C boost detoxification properties and definitely a great fifth benefit for belly fat loss. So do try out these recipes for your early morning drink. Let's quickly proceed towards our breakfast options for 50 days hard challenge. The first option will be definitely high in protein, lots and lots of vegetables incorporated into it, and great source of fiber, protein, good carbs as well. So I am talking about having 2 to 3 egg whites omelette. Now in that omelette, you basically have to incorporate lots and lots of vegetables to it. So as much as vegetables you can incorporate will be better for your fiber intake, for your constipation levels as well, and helping you clear your bowel as well. Make sure the omelette is fuller in nature and you can have it with some cup of black tea, black coffee or even some green tea, and you're good to go for your healthy, nutritious breakfast. The second option is for all of those who don't like having eggs and cannot have eggs because of any reason. So for your high protein option, I'll be giving you simple yet very tasty option, which is paneer sandwich. Recently my lots of clients followed this recipe of sandwich and they were so addicted to it because they loved it to the most, and it's very high in protein and nutritious. I'm using here Greek yogurt, paneer, some homemade mint chutney, and definitely lots of cider along with it. So you can try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Quickly, let's proceed towards our third option for breakfast, which is super easy, super quick and tasty as well. Now I am talking about for all of those who want to quickly prepare their breakfast in the morning, don't have much time to do it, and definitely want a very healthy high protein option. So you can simply have apple, oats, peanut butter, banana smoothie. High in protein, good for your sugar content as well, and great for your fruit consumption in the morning itself. So do try out these recipes and you'll fall in love with having your breakfast in the most nutritious manner. Quickly, let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between breakfast and lunch time. If you do feel hunger pangs happening during this time, the best option for you is either incorporating your diet with one fruit. Whatever seasonal, healthy, locally grown options you have, you can try out for your mid-morning snack, which can be apple, pomegranate, orange, banana, some coconut as well, and along with that you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or ajwain water as well. These combinations work amazingly well and they are so nutritious, and definitely you will not feel hungry till your lunchtime proceeding further. Quickly, let's proceed towards our lunchtime options, which can be definitely very healthy, very high in protein, fiber rich, and definitely something super easy and quick to make. But before that, as usual, 30 minutes before our lunch, we'll be having apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, have it sip by sip, empty stomach. Now this basically works wonders because of many reasons, because it helps you to lower your blood sugar levels whenever you are incorporating any kind of meal after this. Second, it helps your body to make it alkaline and balance your pH levels as well. So works amazing in each and every manner. Do try out it before your lunch. Quickly, let's proceed towards our lunch options. The first option. I have to give this because all the clients love following this and they definitely see great results happening with their fat loss benefits and weight loss as well. I am talking about having moong dal chila. Now recipe is super easy. You can just meal prep it as well and taste super amazing and works like magic for your weight loss. Moong dal chila recipe is very easy to prepare. All you have to do is soak moong dal for approximately 4 to 5 hours, blend it with some spices and some herbs, and you're good to go for your batter. Prepare dosas or chilas in this manner and definitely you'll fall in love with this lunch option. Quickly, let's proceed towards the second option for all of those who want to have roti in their diet and cannot skip it at any cost. So you can definitely choose healthier and better options for your fat loss journey, which is oats roti with some paneer ki sabzi or any sabzi whatever is freshly prepared at your home, along with lots and lots of salad and curd. The recipe of oats roti is already up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super easy to prepare as well. So you can try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Third option is for all of those who want to incorporate some kind of rice to their diet and cannot skip it at any cost. So you can definitely switch to a better version of rice, which is brown rice. Along with that, you can have curry, sabzi of any choice, rajma, white chana, black chana, or you can even have chicken curry, fish curry or egg curry. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of curd and salad. We'll only take 100 grams of cooked rice and not more than that, because of course we need to see the results that we really want to have. And now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between lunch and dinner time. If you feel some hunger pangs happening during this particular time, the best option for you would be either to switch to having black tea or black coffee, or you can even have a cup of freshly brewed green tea. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of roasted makhanas, which are definitely a source of vitamin E, vitamin K, and definitely great for your joint lubrication as well. So you can definitely try out this option for your mid-evening snack, or you can simply have either one fruit of your own choice. Again, whatever seasonally, freshly local fruit is available to you, you can have that for your mid-evening snack as well. Quickly, let's proceed towards our dinner option. For dinner, I'll be giving you again 3 options. Super easy, super yummy, and we'll always keep our dinner very low so that we are able to achieve our weight loss results and eat less during the dinner time, because of course we need to see good weight loss happening and we are able to boost our metabolism to next level to promote its weight loss. The first option will be high in protein and very tasty option for all of the Indians out there, which is basically paneer tikka, or you can even replace it with chicken tikka or soya tikka. But we'll make sure to not incorporate any kind of carbs to it, so definitely you can use 70 to 80 grams of paneer to it. Lots and lots of vegetables like broccoli, capsicum, bell peppers, onions chopped, whatever you want to incorporate to it. You can marinate the paneer and vegetables well and cook it in the air fryer or even on a grill pan, as I'm showing it here. Super easy to do it and very tasty as well in every form. Second option is for all of those who want to have something soupy in nature and very calming as well, because the winter season is approaching as well. So you can simply have a bowl of soup. I've given lots and lots of soup recipes on my channel which are healthy, nutritious and definitely great for your weight loss as well. Do try out these recipes and you'll be able to see great weight loss happening as well, because they're very easy to prepare. Second, it is very fiber rich as well and almost zero carb. So do try out these recipes for your dinner. Third option is for all of those who want to have something quick to prepare and tasty as well and something sweet in nature. So definitely you can try out having bowl of oatmeal with fruits. The recipe is completely up on my channel, requires very minimal ingredients and is super easy to prepare as well. Oats help in reducing cholesterol levels, aids in digestion as well, and they are rich fiber content as well. So do try out oatmeal with fruits for your dinner. Quickly, let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which comes post dinner and is very essential to boost your metabolism throughout the night. Either you can have a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which helps you with insomnia, definitely promotes good sleep of 8 hours and is super healthy for your metabolism boosting properties and to help you relax throughout the night as well and promotes good sleep. If you cannot have this, then you can always switch to having 1 cup of ajwain tea. It helps you with water retention, swelling, bloating in the body and definitely helps you with belly fat loss as well postpartum greatly. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to see great weight loss happening, and you will be able to see a great weight reduction with removing all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we'll start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and diet plans and how my clients reduce weight every single day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.